day, viewers. Today we're about to discuss a rule in derivatives, which is product rule. A short recap on the rules we know in derivatives. We have constant rule and power rule. Constant rule. The derivative of a constant is always 0. For example, derivative of 7 is 0. Derivative of -4 is 0. Power rule. In order to find the derivative of a monomial, we should remember the form of the derivative of a variable x raised to a constant n is equal to n multiplied by x raised to n minus 1. For example, derivative of 2x raised to 2 is 4x. 2 times 2x raised to 2 minus 1 is 4x. And now let us begin discussing the topic.
To get the product rule, we must first use the formula derivative of uv equals u times derivative of v times v plus v derivative of u. Let's start with an easy problem. Y equals 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x times x squared plus 1. We must first label out which is u and which is v, and then find the derivative of u, which is 8x cubed minus 3, and then derivative of v, which is 2x. Now we must simply substitute u, which is 2x to the power 4 minus 3x times derivative of v, which is 2x, plus v, which is x squared plus 1, times derivative of u, which is 8x cubed minus 3. In order to get the in order to simplify, we must first multiply, which is from the binomial to the polynomial and binomial to binomial, which gives us 4x to the power of 5 minus 6x squared plus 8x to the power of 5 minus 3x squared plus 9x cubed minus 3. In order to simplify even more, we must simply combine like terms, which is 4x5 plus 8x5 gives us 12x to the power 5 plus 9x. Since there is no other cube, we must simply 9x cubed. Just bring down. And then negative 6x squared plus negative 3x squared. Negative plus negative equals plus negative, which gives us 9x squared. And then since there are no more like terms, we just bring down negative 3. And that gives us the final answer. How about trinomials? 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x times 5x squared minus 3. Now label like always and then derivative. It's the same, which you get the derivative, which is 6x squared plus 6x plus 5. And then derivative of v, which is 10x. Now, let's just substitute, which might get confusing, but always remember which is u and which is derivative of v. 6x squared plus 6x plus 5 times 5x squared minus 3 plus 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x times 10x. This is derivative of, this is u, this is derivative of v, and then v and derivative of e. Now you just distribute which gives us 30x4 minus 18x squared plus 30x cubed minus 18x plus 25x squared minus 15 plus 20x4 plus 30x squared plus 5x squared. Now we will just combine like terms. 30x plus 20x4 equals 50x to the power of 4 plus negative 18x squared plus negative plus 25x squared with 5x squared. Oh wait, ano pala? 30x cubed plus 30x cubed gives us 60x cubed. And then negative 18x squared, never forget the sign. And then plus 25x squared and 5x squared gives us positive 12x squared. And then since there are no like terms for negative 18x, we will just bring down negative 18x. And then since there are no negative 15, we will also bring down negative 15, which gives us 50x to the power of 4 plus 60x cubed plus 12x squared minus 18x minus 15, which will give us the final answer. Now let's try a harder problem. 2x cubed minus 3x times 5x squared plus 4. Like the first problem, we must label out which is u and which is v in order to get its derivative. The derivative of u is 6x squared minus 3, and the derivative of v is 10x. And then we'll use the formula and substitute, which is u 2x cubed minus 3x times derivative of v 10x, and then plus v, which is 5x squared plus 4 times derivative of u, 6x squared minus 3. And then we'll just distribute again. In order to simplify the problem into a more combinable thing. Minus 30x squared. And then like before, we'll add each like terms, which is the exponent 30x4 and 20x4 plus 50x to the power 4, and then 24x squared plus negative 15x added by negative 30x squared equals to negative 21x squared. And since there are no other variable, we'll just bring down negative 12. And that'll be our final answer.